Today let's solve questions related to chemistry in ESET between 2012 and 2016, all the previous question papers. Let us discuss about the first chapter, which is atomic structure. So let's go to the first question. So the valency electronic configuration of phosphorus atom is, if you remember the electronic configuration of phosphorus, it will be something like, it will be having nucleus and 2 in this s orbital. Next it will be having 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the atomic number is 15. So S, P and T will be having 5. So the answer for it is 3s2 and 3p3. So this is your answer. So a detailed explanation is given here, you can see it. So an element A of atomic number 12 combines with an element B of atomic number 17. Now the compound formed is, so if you see element having atomic number 12, it suggests it is magnesium, and element Y whose atomic number is 17 is chlorine. So if you combine both these, magnesium plus chlorine, you will be getting magnesium chloride, and molecular formula is X by 2. So this component Z is an ionic compound, and hence it would conduct electricity in molten state. So if you see it, the answer is ionic bond AB2. So here both the options are given as ionic. It is basically an ionic bond. So explanation is given here. You can refer this PDF in the link provided in the description. So the number of neutrons present in the atom of barium. So if you observe any element, it will be having the mass number, which is the number of protons and neutrons in the atom, and it will be having atomic number, which is the number of protons in the atom. So this is how the atomic symbol is given, and here neutrons number is given by the formula A minus Z. In this case 137 is the value of A and Z value is 56. So the answer is 81. So for understanding, you can even refer this also. So the next question, the theory that no two electrons in an atom can have identical values of 4 quantum numbers is known as Pauli's exclusion principle. So Pauli's exclusion principle, it states that no two electrons in same atom can have identical values for all 4 of their quantum numbers. So in other words, I can say no more than 2 electrons can occupy same orbital, or I can say 2 electrons in same orbital must have opposite spins. So the ideal is in case of 1s or in 2s. Done. So for better understanding, you can refer this diagram. Next, The angular momentum of an electron revolving round the nucleus in K shell is given by. So, if you remember the Niels Bohr theory, as per the postulates, electrons can exist only in the orbits for which angular momentum of electron is an integral multiple of h by 2 pi. So if you see the answer, only this is the correct answer. So Niels Bohr also stated electrons revolve around the nucleus in specific orbits, and they are prevented from leaving the atom by necessary centripetal force of the attraction between the positive charged nucleus and negative charged electron. Also remember, no energy is gained or lost while an electron remains in any of the permissible orbits. So the detailed explanation is available here. You can get this PDF from given below. So the valency electronic configuration of chlorine atom Z is equal to 17. So chlorine atomic number is 17. So I can write it as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So if it is chlorine minus, you will be having 3p6. So the Euler diagram will be something 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, spdf. So this is the Euler diagram. So with this you can write it. So the next question, the lightest particle is, so positron is an antiparticle of an electron and it has the same mass as an electron but only one opposite charge. We know protons and neutrons are heavier than electrons, so they cannot be the answer. Also, an alpha particle consists of 2 protons plus 2 neutrons. So based on the answers, we can say it is positron. Next, if an electron has spin quantum number of 1 plus 1 by 2, magnetic quantum number of minus 1, it cannot be present in. So you have to remember the relationship among all the different quantum numbers. So observe, the electron has a spin quantum number of plus half and minus half. To know this, you have to remember how exactly the relationship of values of S, P and D will be. So spin quantum number is available for P, D, F. If you observe here also, only S orbital will not be having it. See the question. So it cannot be present in S orbital. So let's go to the next question. The ion that is also electronic with CO. Now here CO has 14 electrons, carbon monoxide, 8 from oxygen and 6 from carbon, whereas NO has 15 electrons, 8 from oxygen and 7 from nitrogen. But when it comes to NO plus, it loses an electron and the number of electrons will become 14. So the answer here is this. So let's go to the next question. Which one of the following set of quantum numbers is not possible for p electron? So earlier we have discussed about this particular table which you have to remember, and I am giving this as your homework to solve this. So the first emission line of hydrogen atomic spectrum in Balmer series is given by the first emission line in Balmer series for N1 is equal to 2 and N2 is equal to 3 is given by Rydberg's formula, which is R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. The unit is centimeter inverse. So it will be R into 1 by N1 is 2 square minus N2 is 3 square. So it will become R into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. If I take LCM, first emission line will be 5R by 36. So this is your answer. So next, which ion is isoelectronic with respect to carbon monoxide? So isoelectronic species are those species which have same number of electrons. So CO, it has basically 14 electrons, 6 from carbon and 8 from oxygen. So if you observe Cn minus, it also has 14 electrons, 6 from carbon and 7 from nitrogen. So this is your answer, which means it is isoelectronic, having same number of electrons. So the next question, the maximum number of electrons which can occupy an orbital. So for this you have to remember SPDF. So S will be occupying a maximum of 2 electrons, P will be occupying a maximum of 6 electrons, D will be occupying a maximum of 10 electrons, and F will be occupying a maximum of 14 electrons. In this question he is asking for S, which is 2. So diagrammatically you can refer this. So the electronic configuration of carbon is, so what is the Euler diagram of carbon? So carbon configuration is given by 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6 because 2p2, because s orbital will be holding 2 in first level and p will be holding 6. So if you see the options 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2, this is the right answer. So the next question, the shape of s orbital is, so the shape of s orbital is basically spherical, and whereas the shape of d orbitals is dumbbells. Okay, and p orbitals will be double dumbbells. So I'll show you the diagrams for better understanding. So s orbital is spherical and you have 2 in the form of 8, which is your p orbital, and d orbital will be having double dumbbells or 4 flower type model. So next, so again this is a homework question. So for f orbital, the value of m. So earlier I have shown you a table in which I have told you how to identify the charge, the possible values of m. So this is again your homework question. So with this we have another couple of questions. With this the concept will be completed. So lowest oxidation state in compound is exhibited by, so basically oxidation number is also called oxidation state, and the total number of electrons that an atom either gains or loses in order to form a chemical bond. So nitrogen oxidation number is 5, oxygen oxidation number is -2, and carbon it is -4 to +4, and for fluorine it is -1. So the lowest is for -4, which is carbon. So with this, questions related to atomic structure are completed, and hope this video is useful to you.